I've been in marketing for over 20 years, and that's kind of where my background has come from. And with channel, even in my position with Brother, I'm a channel marketing manager. At the same time, I actually handle our channel program. For us, one of the key items to a new program when we were launching was trying to find the right platform for us to use as a PRM. Deal registration was a big item for us and visibility into it. One of the things we didn't have with our past program was any visibility from our reseller side or our software side and what was happening in terms of activity. The Channeltivity portal gave us that. It gave us the ability to actually push leads out to our reseller partners, which is something we didn't have in the past, as well as our partners being able to register deals and then track the activity. We actually work with Salesforce.com where we can interact and actually match those platforms together. So a lot of things that are happening in Salesforce are also happening in our Channeltivity platform. We have actually seen double-digit growth on both our gold and our silver tiers in terms of sales. And we started pushing everything through our distribution partners as well, and that's something we can track in Channeltivity and in our PRM portal. And since we've been doing that, again, double-digit growth on percentages and a lot more interaction with our partners. And that was, in my mind, that's the bigger thing. Since I'm more on the marketing side, that interaction to me tells me which partners are actually engaged with us and which ones are the box movers. Our sales team will actually look more on the final number and what that sales is. And with our new program and with our new PRM, we've actually been able to see both the increase in activity and in the increase in end sales, which has been a definite win-win for our team. Highlight your top 3, 4, maybe even 5 pieces that you really want to get done and start with those. Know and actually select a program, or I should say select a platform that can grow with you as well. I think the few items that if you can master, your program will be successful. Number one, deal registration is one thing for us that we had to master, and I think most companies need to be able to do it and be able to do it very easy for the partner. The more complicated you make anything for a partner, they're not going to want to interact with you or your program. I think a lead distribution module with it is definitely in there as well, because as much as you want that partner to be able to come in and give you new opportunities, you have to be able to show that loyalty back to your partners by able to distribute leads to them and track it. Being able to track your metrics, being able to see things and be able to report out of them, and be able to do that in a very easy way. One thing I've found out that if leadership asks you a question or they ask for metrics, if you can't provide that in a quick time frame, they usually look at your program as not doing well. Even though the numbers might be great, if it takes you a month to pull together your stats, they're not going to be happy with it. If you could do those 3 things very well on both deal registration, lead distribution, and then track your metrics on it, your program is going to be on its way to probably a good start.